We are here today to thank you all for all the good things you have done, for all those memories and happy times, for all those moments spent together. We are here today to express that gratitude for love and kindness you have shown, for showing us the beauty of success, for inspiring us to give our very best. There is only one thing that we would like to tell you. We are so thankful, we are so grateful. There is only one thing that we would like to let you know. We are so proud of you for what we are today. For all the times that you were there to guide us through the path of wisdom, another chapter that awaits us all. You unlock the door to our brighter future, for guiding us the courage to think, to the road that leads to who we are. For tomorrow's shining part is here and now, as we prepare our hearts today. Taos puso namin, kayo'y pasasalamatan sa lahat ng sandali na kayo'y naging gabay. Taos puso namin, kayo ay hinahandugan ng pasasalamat sa mga awiting ito. The dawn of bright tomorrow, the golden knowledge I must follow. We know that God will lead us to that dream, for we believe that faith is everything. Ang pagpalangga niyo ka naman, ang pag-imaw sa pagpanglakatan, sa mga balhas nga ginsabuag nyo, kag sa mapagan nga mga ihemplo. tanan nga tiempo, sa tanan nga sakripisyo, sa pangahandang naging tugro nyo ka naman, ang pag-agubay nyo sa amon mga damgo. There is only one thing that we would like to tell you. Sa lahat ng sandali na kayo'y naging gabay, there is only one thing that we would like to let you know. Sa pag-agubay nyo sa amon mga damgo. Sa amon mga damgo. For what we are today,